Morning. How's everyone doing? Morning. Happy Wednesday. Another day in the market. We have a big gap up today. Like always, you guys have my pre-market levels, my watch list, everything that I'm looking to trade today. So let's make some money. Morning. Everything is looking pretty bullish, except from SPY and the Q. Well, the Q also. So I'm watching this level here, this morning high here, looking for a rejection, or if it act as support, I look to play the upside. That's 458. 458 the level to watch on the Q. SPY, I will say pre-market high. My main level here 530, but I will say after these run here, or after these move to the upside pre-market, I will say pre-market high. Apple above, almost at 196, which is way above the 195 level. Whoa, what was that? We have data, 10 a.m. data. Okay. PMI? Okay, awesome, thank you. Okay, my main watch right now, it's the Q, 458, and Meta gap up above the 483 resistance. If that resistance right now act as support, that's my main watch to play the upside. And again, if this resistance here on the Q play as support, I'm playing the upside. But if it keeps acting as resistance, then I see it like the Q being weak, I play the rejection here. And HT is down a lot, or my contracts are down a lot. I'm gonna give it a chance till today. If today doesn't like bounce back above 330, most likely I'm just gonna forget about that one, and it's gonna be down till 0. But yeah, Meta 8, I would say 484, 480, big watch for me. Nvidia just gone. If Apple can break 196, that thing's gonna boom boom. And the Q so far is doing nothing, and it has a big gap below. I was looking to enter a short here, but it's too, I think now it's too late. Gonna short here. My stop loss is gonna be this high. If I see it bouncing a little bit more, I'm gonna add 1 or 2 more. Let's see. It loses the VWAP. I want to see it losing the VWAP and then going to this level here, 456.70, 456.50, and then 455.50. Kind of tricky, but because it's holding very good, and SPY pretty much already filled the gap, but we'll see. I like how Apple, Microsoft are having trouble around the VWAP. Nvidia looks like it wants to pull down a little bit, and the Q is right at resistance. It's right here. I've been talking about the Q since the stream started, and you guys can see it here, NQ. If I'm talking about the Q, I'm gonna take the trade on NQ. If I'm talking about SPY, I'm taking the trade on ES. Okay, I'm buying 1 here. Let's see, it's looking beautiful. I want to see the Q losing the VWAP. Come on, give me the VWAP. Go lower. Go lower. SPY is definitely weaker than the Q. Clear downtrend here on SPY. The Q is fighting. I think we need Nvidia to go a little bit lower. Maybe for the VWAP retest on Nvidia will give me a bigger move to the downside here on the Q. Microsoft losing it. Same thing with Apple. SPY, super weak. Come on, keep going. Give me more. I don't know if that's gonna happen. Nvidia is holding too good. It's looking pretty bullish. We'll see. We have a very good entry. how the 5-minute candle closes, it's gonna determine if I wanna hold this one runner or if I wanna close it. Ideally, we want to see the Q losing the VWAP and going lower. Ooh, that's a very, very ugly candle on Apple. Ugly rejection of 196. Okay. Looking beautiful. Come on, keep going, baby. Keep going. If we have this 5-minute candle closing like that, and now we reject the VWAP, that's pretty bearish. If it goes above the VWAP, we start with a choppy mess. Yes, I'm walking. Yes. I want to see SPY under 529. 529 is a very important level here on SPY. That was pretty much yesterday and Tuesday high. I'm sorry, yesterday and Monday high. Okay, I wanna see this. I wanna see the Q reacting here. Nvidia started to look a little bit weak. Kinda making lower highs, which is what I wanna see for my play here. Okay, I'm out. I'm fine with this. I'm out. I don't like how it's not giving me like more downside and fighting. Nvidia is fighting too much. That's my getaway with my trade. And the most, I would say, the key level that I was looking while holding that one runner was 529 here on SPY, and Google was looking pretty strong and Nvidia was holding, so that was no, yeah. We can technically say it's still bearish, obviously, because we have, where is it? We have still this little downtrend on SPY, and the Q is still rejecting this level, right? It's still rejecting here, and we have an engulfing candle here, and now we have an inside candle, which most of the time we most likely will have continuation here. I just didn't want to risk my greens, what I had. But yeah, pretty happy with that one. I would love to see the Q filling this entire gap. I don't know if that's gonna happen because SPY already filled the gap and is holding very, very good 529. see if SPY is gonna lose this one. I think if hold 529 and breaks this downtrend, we can see a strong move to the upside. Thank you, DS. Yeah, we're green. That was like 5-10 minutes. 10-minute work and done. How many miles? Around between 4 and 5 miles. I don't walk. I walk very slow when I'm doing the stream. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to talk. But when I'm watching Netflix or I'm trading but not doing the stream, I do like between around 7 miles. Because right now I only have it on 1.6 or 1.8 speed. If I'm not doing the stream, I put it on around 2.4. But yeah, it's pretty good. I think this is my walking pad is my favorite thing on my entire trading setup. It's a very, very, very good investment. AMD. Ooh, AMD is looking beautiful. 166 will be the next level to watch on AMD, but the entry was 162. Yeah. What I'm eyeing right now, it's Meta and CRM. CRM is pulling back to the level that I've been talking about for the past 3 days. The model that I have, you guys have the link below. You guys have everything that I have on for my trading setup. My screens, my walking pad, my standing desk, the brokers I use, everything. Why you never use it? I use it every single day. It saved me so much time, and it helps so much when you're all stressed out trading. We started here with the choppiness again. In this level here, if the Q can break this level, I play the upside. And I kind of like this hold here also on SPY, but I would like to see a little bit more consolidation here around 529. And I also would like to see the VWAP going lower, so we can have the VWAP closer to the candlesticks. So far, Apple daily is looking pretty ugly. Same thing with Meta daily right now is looking pretty ugly. Okay. If the Q breaks this level here, boom boom to the upside. It's not normal, but well, I think I heard someone else. Just go to the signature section on the Apex. Whoa, on Apex website. Like log in on your account and then go to signature. And then if you pass any account, you're gonna have them there and sign up and pay for the PA. You can do everything there. $1,200? Well, it looks like he wants to go to 1,200. Next trade is I'm gonna look for a pullback here. Pullback and then play the upside continuation. Okay. So yeah, I want to see a pullback here. That's most likely. If I see that a clear pullback and hold this previous resistance and now acts as support, that's my next trade. It's gonna be a small, maybe just one contract. Uber is still looking pretty good. HD today is not doing anything, but I like that it's holding above 324. CRM looks good at pullback. It's kind of tempting me here to enter, but I want to see it a little bit lower, around 230 to 28. If you see it, if you read what says above on the chat, you can see that it's still 90% off. So, and they extended because they had Rhythmic has so many troubles last week or this week that Apex extended the promo for 90% off till next week, till the 11th, and you guys can still have the 250k account and pass until July 15th to get the $85 one-time fee for the PAs. 250k PAs, only $85. I would say that's the best deal ever on anything. Like, you wanna try futures? Go and take that 250k promotion from Apex. You have a month and a half pretty much to pass that 250k account. Come on, give us a pullback here. No, not the same. Not the same. The 50k account, like every single account has 90% off. Only 90% off. Only the 250k account you have, it was 95% off. Now it's 90% off. But the PAs are only $85 one-time fee. Well, no pullback, no trade for me. Any of you catch these downside here? How you guys doing so far? Nvidia non-stop upside, like clean uptrend. Microsoft is looking pretty bullish also. I want to see a breaking 420. 420. 1500? Awesome. That's awesome. Awesome. Okay, so now we have the next resistance here for SPY. It's gonna be this morning high and pre-market high, pretty much the same level. Let's move this one here. And this morning resistance is the level to watch now. And we have all these big resistance here on the Q. But if Nvidia and Microsoft keeps going higher, the Q is just gonna keep moving higher. Bro, why the Q didn't give me a pullback here? And for SPY, okay, for SPY we have this resistance, a little bit of resistance here around 431.50, but the main one is all-time high. No, I haven't watched them. Yeah, Nvidia is looking pretty good. I really like Microsoft. Microsoft, the next one, looking pretty good. And this is the other level to watch. traded with 800 PA. Oh yeah, I heard about that. I heard about one trader that he had like 23 PAs and it was trading with like copy trading with 23 PAs, but he has like 340 evals that they were passed, but he only signed those evals and then he was just waiting. Like basically he was trading with 20 PA. If he blow up any of those PA, he will have like 340 evals in the back end just waiting, like pretty much playing all in on PAs. And if he made money, he made a lot of money and he got paid. But if he blow up those 20 PA, he had 340 in the back end. So that's pretty smart. And he's complaining about people doing that, but it's only his fault. If I'm doing that and Apex allow me to do it, it's not my fault. It's theirs fault. So he's complaining, but at the end of the day, it's on him. He's the owner of that business. People were just making money. You can see that video on Apex website, on Apex YouTube channel, also on Apex Discord, pretty much everywhere. I like more. I didn't watch those videos. I watched one guy that basically every time Apex do change some rules or make a new rule, he pretty much make like a video about it, so it's easier to understand and you don't have to read the whole thing. Let me see if I can find his videos. What's his name? Oh, this is a video. That's a video you can have. You can see everything there. Go watch it after the stream. We have over 100 people here and only like 30 likes. What is that? I want to see more love on the videos. More likes. Every time I say that, I see people leaving the stream. Okay, I'm eyeing this level here on Spy. Let's see if it's really gonna hold. Where is the 9 EMA? Oh, thank you, Kin. Okay, so we want to see a Spy holding this level here, and if I like the candlesticks that I see here, I'm gonna play this upside. new things. I'm gonna make a very long video where I explain pretty much everything that I know and that I use to trade. So basically how I read the charts, like my favorite setups, how I look for my levels, how I swing trade, how I scalp, how I read the candlesticks, everything's gonna be there. It's gonna be one long video. Maybe after doing that long video I cut few parts and also make few short videos. But yeah, that's what I want to do, because I think not only it's gonna help my channel, but I think it's also gonna be way more easier for you guys to understand how I trade and be more prepared when I come here on the streams. But yeah, so it's gonna be everything that I've learned the past 7 years that I've been trading. Mostly technical analysis. Yeah. But it's gonna be something that it works for me. It might don't work for you guys, but still I wanna put like everything out. But it's gonna take me like at least a month to do that. Yeah, I know if I made more like videos, more like educational videos, I know my channel will grow very fast. Yeah, because I'm a female here on this industry. Not many of us are here, but I don't know. I don't love. I'm an introvert, so it's very difficult for me to make videos talking to the camera. I feel fine doing the streams, but just making videos like that, like vlogs or talking to the camera, I don't know if I feel comfortable doing that. I don't use any indicator for that. Yeah, it's a lot of work. Yeah. Yeah, I also followed Beans when he was just starting. I think he got very like big fast because he was making a lot of videos around COVID. But also he's very good. Apple is kind of tempting me to play the downside, but I don't like playing Apple contracts. Apple is looking ugly. We'll see. So on Google, ugly rejection out of 178. The daily also is looking pretty ugly on Google. Apple, Microsoft is looking pretty bullish. Nvidia is pretty bullish so far. Meta is not doing much, but I do like that it's above 480. And I like that it's holding above that level, 480, 482, 484. I like this possible upside. I just don't know if I wanna risk my gains, because this is what I'm looking right now. So we have Microsoft and Nvidia looking pretty bullish, right? But we have Google and Apple not looking bullish, especially Apple. And the Q is right at very strong resistance. So I kind of having like mixed feelings here. I think everything's gonna be, I don't know. But I do like this hole here. So basically I will say, if you want to play the upside, just enter here, and your stop loss could be this candle low. Apple starting to look a little bit better. Thank you, Flaco. Let's see. If we see more consolidation here, I might take this upside. My zones are just levels of resistance, support, and resistance. Costco, what's Costco doing? Ooh, no, I don't like Costco. I don't like that daily there. It's been up a lot with weird candlesticks. No, I don't love Costco. I don't know. The Q is looking pretty weak. SPY is only very good. Google is looking very ugly. Very, very ugly. I think I'm gonna wait a little bit more, but if you want to play the upside, this is your entry here on SPY. Yes. Yes. Let me see something here. Daily. Yeah, that was the entry. Come on, CRM, go lower. Go lower. But right now we have not much happening. Just a little bit of consolidation for SPY in the queue. The only one that I see moving very good right now is Microsoft, and it's near the 420 resistance. Definitely looks like a flag here. Same thing with SPY. I'm gonna wait a little bit and see what's gonna happen with Microsoft 420. If breaks that, I think I'm gonna play the upside here on the queue. Because so far, SPY and the queue look pretty bullish. Just looked like a little bit of consolidation after a big push. Hey, good evening. Not here in Miami. Good morning. Still morning. You know what I like right now? Meta. Yeah, I got 490 for next week. If I see a pullback to 484, 482, I'm getting more contracts. My stop loss is gonna be under 480. I'm gonna give it a little bit room. I will say under 479. That's weird. That's weird, Donnie. But welcome. I think the easier way to catch my streams are just on my Discord. You have notification every time I post a new video. Hey Rosales. Hey Julian. Hey, look at Uber. I think Uber is my favorite setup. And I know I've been talking about Uber nonstop for like 2 weeks now, maybe a week. No, I will say this week. But it's just like it's looking too good to not swing trade that one, which I'm already in. You passed to 25k? Awesome, congrats. I will say that 25k is the least account that I like because the stop loss is too small, the trailing stop is too small. But just go to go to Apex, go to your admin, and then go to the signature section, and then you see there if it is passed or not. But when do you pass those two accounts? If it was today, you need to wait until like midnight or later today. Way later today. If you pass those accounts today, you are not gonna see anything right now. Anything change right now. I already say hello. 2 weeks ago? You most likely already lost those 2 evals if you didn't if you didn't pay for the PA or sign those 2 accounts. But after 2 weeks, you definitely got an email. You can see, again, you can see it on your evals, or on your admin on Apex. Yeah, if you sign it up, I don't know if go to the signature section and then see if you pay for those two or not. I don't know, I don't use Ninja. I know on Apex, Trade of It, which is the one that I use, you can combine any type of account up to 20. So it doesn't matter what size or if it is an eval or a PA. But with Ninja, I have no idea. But I'm pretty sure you can find that out on YouTube. Come on over, keep going. $66 is the next resistance on Uber. And I'm gonna take a little bit of profits there. Anyone got this move here? On SPY? That was a beautiful, beautiful flag hold. Nice, nice. That was beautiful. I didn't take it, but I'm happy that you guys took it. This is your next little resistance here. But I will say the main one is 533. The Q is pretty much near all-time high. Is it gonna break it today? How is this volume today? How's the volume here? It's kind of high, so it could break all-time high. I think if Nvidia and Microsoft keep going higher with high volume, the Q is gonna break and make a new all-time high. And that's the next entry if you want to play the upside. Wait for the break of all-time high. Pretty much a break and retest there. Nvidia at 100 is gonna be so good to trade options. Oof. At least for me, because I don't like trading options that are super expensive. Because I'm the type of person that I like to trade options with a bunch of contracts and then selling on the way up. Pretty much selling on every push. I still like HD, but I like it for next week, not for this week. Because 424, it's a very strong support on HD and it's holding very, very, very good. So I can see it bouncing there, but I would like to take that trade for next week. So I don't think my weekly's HD contracts are gonna work out to, yeah, I don't think those are gonna work out this week. And the PT for Meta, it's gonna be 500. So we have Microsoft fighting 420. It's rejecting so far. And Nvidia, it keeps rejecting 1200. I think Nvidia should pull back to at least the VWAP. I think that will be healthy. But who knows? I don't like the 25k accounts, too small. I think the perfect one are the 50k, but with the $85 PA one-time fee promotion right now, there's nothing better than the 250k, at least right now. With the 90% off for the evals and then $85 one-time fee. Nothing better than that, and you have 1.5 months to pass the 250k account, which is very doable. Yeah, no, I don't think so. I only trade for futures. I only look at SPY and the Q. And sometimes I used to trade a little bit of IWM. Not so much anymore, because I think it's way better to just put your 100% focused on only a few charts, and then just keep trading the same thing over and over and over again. That's how you're gonna have consistency. So SPY and the Q, only two things that I'm looking to trade with futures. Is this real? No, it's all fake. I'm AI. See me moving like this. Q, all time high. Let's see if it's gonna break that. Come on, Q. After passing lifetime fee or monthly? Lifetime fee again right now for the 250K account with a promo. If you're new, no, you cannot trade QQQ on Apex. Apex is only for futures. I will, if you're new, I will say, okay, this is how I see it. If you can keep one PA account for over 3 months, the next few accounts pay the one-time fee. If you cannot keep one account for over 3 months, just pay the monthly, because you're gonna keep blowing up the PAs and you're gonna save money that way. So if you're new in this, pay the monthly. If you're a very consistent trader and you already pass and hold a few PAs for over 3 months, pay the one-time fee on the next ones. If you cannot do that, pay monthly, because you're gonna keep blowing up your PAs. I will be making a video about my entire trading process. That's coming up in the future. That's funny. Okay, QQQ, new all-time high, woohoo! Let's see if it's gonna hold there. I think Nvidia needs to break 1200, but Microsoft is the one that is moving the cube right now. And SPY. Well, Apple is starting to move also. It kept hold. Yeah, Apple 195 hold. Looks pretty bullish right now. The next entry, it's here. Another pullback, hold, and then like that. I've never used Quant Tower. I've only traded futures with Apex and with Trade of 8. Hello, Habibi. Let's make some masare. I played pickleball yesterday for like 4 hours, and the court was so packed. We were 54 people waiting to play pickleball. Everyone is playing pickleball right now. I was kind of annoyed because I was waiting for too long to play. But I also am happy that more and more people playing pickleball, so we can have like bigger community. Maybe in the future play some like better match. And yeah, but yeah, I'm kind of obsessed with pickleball right now. Same thing here. Pullback maybe, then boom boom. Come on, HD, keep going higher. I'm thinking about starting to buy CRM like 1 month out, and then add more if I see bigger pull down. Let me check. Almost 40% off on Uber, and I think Uber is just starting. This Uber move, I think it's just starting. I got 330 for HD next week. I kind of find difficult for the HD weekly contract to play out for us, but I do think the next week 830 can definitely work out. What a beautiful play is one. Happy that you guys took this bull flag here. I think I'm done for today. I added a few more to HD, but it is for next week. I'm pretty happy with the trade that I did with futures. I think the Q, both Q and SPY are still looking pretty bullish. Just watch out these levels here, this one and this one for SPY. Next resistance, I think where SPY looks like wants to go, it's all-time high again. And the Q, it's already at all-time high. It keeps holding this level here. I think it's just gonna keep going. The Q has no more resistance above. Just made a new all-time high. Like I said, I bought a little bit here, and I'm gonna buy more if it goes down to 480, 484. Uber looks beautiful, perfect swing. And I have a lot of time. I bought an Uber for next week. I'm sorry, for next month. So yeah, I think that's a very clean setup. HD, a little bit of drama with this one. I think I made the mistake to buy weeklies, and I don't know if those weeklies are gonna work out, but I do like the ones that I got for next week. CRM, I might enter here a little bit and then add more if we have a bigger pull down. And if I enter anything, it's gonna be for next month, because okay, this is what I'm looking on CRM. I think this one can be a huge play. So this is what I'm looking at. I'm looking this possible flag here, right? It's holding this low here consistently, so maybe a good add here. But I would love to see CRM going a little bit lower to 430. I'm sorry, 230, maybe 228. And if I see it there, I'm gonna buy a lot and swing trade this one for a huge move to the upside and catch this entire gap, or at least most of this gap. That's my big next trade, but I'm being very patient here. And yeah, I'm gonna buy a lot of contracts on this one. So this is my main one as of now. Big watch here. So yeah, might start buying a little bit of contracts here and then add a big chunk on 230, 228. 1 month out, and just leave it alone, just like I did, just like I'm doing with Uber, which is 40% up right now. Super happy with that one. Not so happy with HD, but still like it. So yeah, I'm done for today. Beautiful upside. Sadly, I didn't get my pullback here to enter and play this upside, but I like it. Ooh, I may like this possible reaction here of all-time high. So what I look here is if the Q close this 30-minute candlestick like that could be a good play to the downside, but a little bit risky because we're going against the trend. But yeah, if it keeps holding, it's pretty bullish. So it depends how it's gonna react here. So see you guys mañana. Thank you for talking with me. Otherwise, this will be not a little, very boring trading by myself. Thank you for the likes. See you guys mañana.